How do you kind of connect the indoor and the outdoor spaces? Because I guess people start with a shell at home, they do the inside, then you've got to make the outside kind of blend seamlessly. How do you do that?
It's getting that flow from inside to outside, so having really nice big open doors so the breeze can come through and you can smell the outside. Indoors is a great way to draw you out, but having a great garden that you just look at and just want to be in is a great way to draw yourself out there.
And do you have any good tips for people who want to maximise the outdoor area outside of summer when the weather gets a bit cooler?
Fire pits are really, on trend at the moment. People love to have a fire pit area. If you're designing something like that, try and design it without the fire pit so it's a nice space to go to and enjoy, because you never know if the fire pit trend is going to burn itself out, pardon the pun. And so you want a really nice area that you can sit in otherwise.
On the topic of trends, plant trends, I'm sure you've seen many evolve over your time. What's in at the moment? What are people planting?
People really like indoor plants, and that's a great way to bring the outdoors in. But with the way the climate's going, people are getting more into drought-tolerant gardens, and that doesn't necessarily mean you have to have a succulent garden. It just means you have to have plants like rosemary and Indian hawthorn and aloes and things like that that can withstand the drought.
Charlie, when people are starting to build their garden or think about landscaping, you said layout's a good place to start. Are there other considerations people need to think about?
Well, you need to have a wish list. So you need to have a wish list and put it in order of what's most important. Do you want an entertaining space? Do you want an area for the kids? Do you want a veggie patch? Put it in order and make sure you give that sort of area enough space. Don't try and just fit it in because you want it all. It has to be able to fit. So start culling from the bottom up.